Welcome back to Science with Greg. Today we're going to see if it's possible to make a hard-boiled egg in a dishwasher. Let's do this. I'll place it like inside of this. It's a bit wonky, but it'll do. What is it? You're going to need a dishwasher tablet. You want to close it, make sure it's shut. Put it on intensive, so 70, we'll put it on a whole 70 degrees. That's 5 degrees hotter than normal. And start. There we go. Come back in about 40 minutes. It's been about 40 minutes. It's been on intensive at 70 degrees. It's pretty hot in here, gotta say. There it is. And oh wow. It's pretty hot. So best way to test if an egg is hard boiled is to see if it bounces. So let's have a go. Shit.
Yeah? Taste
I wish we had some cream egg. I think I would replace it and pretend that. Let's see what's this! Even Dusty's like, no.
Maybe not.
He's backing away. He's like, fuck that. Oh god. Anyway,
So, in answer to the question,
today we've proven that you cannot make a hard-boiled egg in a dishwasher, even on the intensive setting at 70 degrees. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.